One of the most important things to consider when you're ready to purchase a new home is your credit score. It's a measure of your credit worthiness, and lenders will use it to determine whether or not to approve you for a mortgage. Many first-time homebuyers believe that their credit score is too low to buy a home, but whether your score is good or bad is subjective, and it might not affect your ability to become a homeowner. Lenders use specific rules to determine what credit score you need to approve your application, and those rules can change from loan type to loan type. Take a conventional mortgage, for example. It's the most common type of mortgage. It has a minimum credit score of 620, but an FHA or a VA loan have a minimum requirement of just 580. And there are even some loan programs that have no minimum credit score requirement at all. You don't have to give up your dream of home ownership just because your score is low or you have less than perfect credit, but keep in mind that you may end up with a higher interest rate. If you're still concerned about getting your application approved, here's 3 tips for homeowners with little or no credit. Number 1, buyers with the ability to leave a larger down payment have a better chance of mortgage application approval. Number 2, if your application doesn't pass the first test, try again with a different lender. Some lenders have stricter rules than others, and it's not uncommon for your application to get approved on the second or third try. And number 3, if you still can't get your application approved, a cosigner might be a good option for you. This is someone who agrees to joint responsibility for the mortgage and the repayment of the loan. Your credit score is not the only thing that lenders look at to approve your mortgage application, but it is a key indicator of your financial health. So it's never too early to start tracking your score and making on-time payments. If you'd like more information or if you have questions, please leave a comment below or message me on Instagram at terageerealtor. I'd be happy to help you out. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe down below. Take care. See you next time.